So Gongmatic is an experience of self-playing gongs.
It is an automatic experience, meaning that the gongs can be played without a player.
For thousands of years, gongs have been like a percussive musical instrument. They needed to be activated by a strike.
With the system, the gongs can be played simply by using hand gestures.
We are able to control every single frequency and overtone precisely. You can just have pure frequency, smooth sound coming from the gong. We can just program in advance and then lay down and receive the sound of the gongs, just like if I would be there playing for myself.
The sound that comes out of the Gongmatic installation is otherworldly.
You feel completely absorbed into the sound and completely held.
We can recreate this experience in cities where people don't have really so much time to stop.
What we're finding is that the vibrations of the gong heal. The vibrations of the gong lower stress. So they create amazing benefits for people who know nothing about gongs.
This new technology combined with the ancient sound of the gong can bring happiness and light to people.
They come in, and then after 20 minutes, they're in a different state of mind.
This is just a starting point. There is so much potential. These art installations can work in every space.
So we see this as a great potential for galleries, for museums. With this project, we're taking an ancient instrument and giving it a new life. We're bridging the ancient with the future.